Have you ever wondered what animals do all day? We're going to discover amazing animal action verbs. Words that tell exactly what animals are doing. From graceful movements like glide to powerful actions like pounce and even funny ones like gobble. Get ready to shout out the verbs you know or learn new ones as we go through the video. Leap. To jump really high or really far. Like this frog or these kangaroos. Leap. L-E-A-P, leap. Up next we have the verb fly. To move through the air using wings. This bird is flying. These butterflies are also flying. Fly. F-L-Y, fly. Moving on to the action verb swim. To move through water using fins or limbs, like these fish or these dolphins. Swim. S-W-I-M, swim. Next, we have glide. To move through the air without effort or flapping wings. This swan is gliding through the air. This pelican is also gliding. Glide. G-L-I-D-E, glide. Flit. To move swiftly and lightly. Small birds like a hummingbird or a chickadee can flit. F-L-I-T, flit. Up next, we have the action verb dive. To plunge headfirst into water or through the air. This kingfisher is diving for fish. These ducks are also diving. Dive. D-I-V-E, dive. Can you guess what action this kangaroo is doing? Is the kangaroo flying, leaping, or swimming? It's leaping. The kangaroo is leaping. To leap means to jump really high or really far. The bird is blank. Is it A, gliding, B, flying, or C, swimming? The correct answer is B, flying. The bird is flying. Moving on to the action verb sniff. To inhale through the nose to detect odors. This dog is sniffing. This rabbit is also sniffing. Sniff. S-N-I-F-F, sniff. Chomp. To bite loudly and forcefully. Like this beaver or this lion. Chomp. C-H-O-M-P, chomp. Up next, we have roar. To make a deep, loud sound. Like a lion or a tiger. Roar. R-O-A-R, roar. Up next, we have howl. To make a long, mournful cry. A wolf can howl. A dog can also howl. Howl. H-O-W-L, howl. Gobble. The distinct gurgling sound that turkeys make? Gobble. 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 What action is this dog doing? Is it sniffing, chomping, or roaring? The dog is chomping. To chomp means to bite loudly and forcefully. Let's use the words below to complete this sentence. The hedgehog is blank. Is it A, howling, B, gobbling, or C, sniffing? The correct answer is C, sniffing. The hedgehog is sniffing. Next, we have creep. To move slowly and quietly, often close to the ground, like a snail or like a lizard. Creep. C-R-E-E-P. Creep. Our next action verb is slither. To move smoothly over a surface with a twisting motion, like a snake or an eel. Slither. S-L-I-T-H-E-R. Slither. Next, we have pounce. To spring suddenly and forcefully. This cat can pounce. This coyote is also pouncing. Pounce. P-O-U-N-C-E. Pounce. Stalk. To secretly follow another animal quietly and carefully, like this tiger or this coyote is doing. Stalk. S-T-A-L-K. Stalk. Finally, we have lurk. To stay in place without being seen. This alligator is lurking in the water. This eel is also lurking. Lurk. L-U-R-K. Lurk. What action is this caterpillar doing? Is it lurking, pouncing, or creeping? It is creeping. The caterpillar is creeping. To creep means to move slowly and quietly, often close to the ground. The snake is blank. Is it A, slithering, B, gliding, or C, diving? The correct answer is A, slithering. The snake is slithering.
Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe for new videos. See you soon!